Oh man, I got lazy and forgot to put my plant up top.
Golf Karting TV is your inside source for the coolest upgrades, mods, and accessories to take your trusty golf cart from drab to fab.
Hey there, and welcome back to Golf Karting TV. My name is Matt with Converted Carts. Thrilled to have you back here today, and today we got something special. We have a compilation video. We're basically looking back over the year. It's like September, so we're about almost three quarters of the way through the year, and wanted to just take a quick look with a little compilation video of some of the coolest carts that we've seen this year. So let's jump in, have a little fun, and take a look at some pretty sweet golf carts, if I do say so myself. hope you enjoyed that. It was fun for me. All that stuff. I just love doing this show. This is so much fun. I hope you're enjoying it. Please, if there's any ideas or thoughts or carts that you know of that should be featured in Golf Carting TV, please put those in the comments or message us at tv@golfcarting.com. And we'd love to consider whatever you've got, whatever feedback you have, cart suggestions you have, any of that kind of stuff. So have an awesome day, and we look forward to seeing you back here next Wednesday at noon. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, do all that kind of fun stuff. We'll see you next week.